Hi guys. Hello. Is anyone here? Sorry, I was just laughing on a message that just came in. Hi guys, finally. Hi Ruhani. Hi Hitesh. Hi guys. Wow, just when I decided to go live, I have so many notifications. सुबह से मुझे किसी ने नहीं याद किया है, and just when I decide to do something, I am getting non-stop notifications, so I'm getting distracted. But hi guys, hi Aditi Khatri, nice name. Hello. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for like 5 seconds for everybody to join in. Oh, I think there are many people already. Okay. Hi guys. Hi. Thank you. Yes, I know I've gotten a little ready after a long time. घर पे बैठ के ना ready होने का मन नहीं करता है, and honestly मुझे stupid लगता है कि मैं घर पे बैठ के क्यों ready हूँ. So yeah, but yeah, today I've gotten a little ready because I'm very excited for the show. So I just thought before I do the Triller show, I wanted to come here quickly and say hello to all of you. And I just wanted to know if you guys are joining because I'm super excited, and I have the questions with me that you guys had asked me a few days back, and I've, like a nice person, I have written all of them on my iPad, and I'm going to reply to all of them. I'm going to answer all of them. Quite interesting questions, I must say. मतलब मुझे लगा था बहुत ही basic और typical questions आएंगे, but very interesting questions. So I'm really excited to answer all of them. And yeah, I'm very excited. Hi, thank you. Okay, I'm going to be starting the show in exactly 13-14 minutes on the Triller Live, but before that, we can talk here. I like your eyes. Thank you, Avni Patel. Thank you. Beautiful eyes and eyelashes. Thank you. Hi. Okay, I missed out on a lot of messages while I was seeing the questions on my iPad. Okay, that's fine. Okay, in case you have any more questions that you feel I must have missed out on, you can just directly comment or message whatever it is on my Triller show, and I can on the spot look at it and reply immediately. Yeah, I'm very excited. You can tell, I'm sure. Okay. It's also because I am interacting with all of you after a very long time. I don't do that very often anymore, because I'm just like, okay, it's a really sad time that we're going through, but in fact I should use this time to kind of entertain you guys, but I'm sorry. I know I should be more active, but I'm trying to be more active, and I'm gonna do this Triller Live, which has come my way every Friday, every week at 6 p.m. So I'm super thrilled about that. So yeah, those of you who keep complaining about me not coming live often, well, now you have a platform that I'm for sure gonna come there every week at 6 p.m. Friday. Oh, your nail color is beautiful. Thank you. Okay, so I quickly want to talk about the few questions that are actually, this is a self-made question that I'm actually going to talk about. मुझसे किसी ने नहीं पूछा ये सवाल, but I think it's a very interesting, it has a very interesting backstory to it, so I wanted to share. So my Triller show's name is Shut Up Aditi, and yeah, I know it's a very strange name, to be honest. Like, who the hell keeps खुद के show का नाम Shut Up Aditi, where you're supposed to come and talk, you're supposed to come and interact. Well, this is going to be a long-term thing, I hope, with Triller. And honestly, I have been always wanting to be on Triller. I don't even know for how long have I wanted this, mainly because I really love the platform. I really love the content that people put out on Triller, and this I'm talking about since my childhood. I've been watching Triller, and I don't know if I've ever created a Triller before, but I must have with my friends when I was a kid. So anyway, yeah, when Triller finally came my way for the Triller show, I was very excited, and this is going to be a weekly thing, as I said, every week, every Friday at 6 p.m. Wow, self-promotion every 2 minutes. But okay, somebody's already writing Shut Up Aditi. Yeah, that's the point. point. You need to shut me up because I have a habit of going on and on and on, and that's what I'm going to talk about. So, talking about talking. Shut Up Aditi is a title that came to me very abruptly, if I have to say. So they had asked me, this happened a long time ago, by the way, and they had asked me to come up with a title which will be the title of my, like, which will be the title forever, like till the time I am on Triller TV. So I was like, okay, and what do I have to do every week? They were like, whatever you want. And I'm like, okay, cool. But obviously, if I'm doing something every week, it clearly means that चलो मुझे सारी चीज़ों का मतलब कहीं ना कहीं तो टाइटल से रेजोनेट होना चाहिए ना. लाइक एवरीथिंग दैट आई डू एवरी वीक शुड रेजोनेट विद द टाइटल ओनली, देन इट विल मेक सेंस. एंड as all of you know, I am not a very consistent or a very like one thing kind of a person. I don't think I can do one thing or stick to one genre for every week. Because I am a very random person and I get bored very easily. I think I just want to say that I'm very inconsistent, so I didn't want to just choose one topic or like choose one genre and like just stick to it. So I thought of kind of naming my show something that goes with everything that I do. Maybe tomorrow I start doing something else and I'm not doing it, I was not doing it back then I would be like, okay, this title and whatever I'm doing is not making sense. But then I thought, okay, whatever I'm going to be doing is going to involve talking, right? And as a person, I obviously talk a lot. I also think that the profession that I am in and also the fact that I'm a public figure, I feel like I tend to overshare sometimes, which is kind of fine. I mean, it has its own pros and cons. The pro being that people trust me very easily, and I am very trustworthy. Don't worry, all of my friends watching this, your secrets are safe with me. But on the other hand, I mean, people just say this to me all the time, that when we talk to you, it feels like we've known you for 10 years, and honestly speaking, some of the people are actually known for just 2-3 hours. So that's like, okay. And the cons about this thing, about this habit of mine, is that somebody could totally take an advantage of me oversharing, over talking and all of that, which I do give a lot of thought to. That, I mean, what if tomorrow just someone comes and goes ratting. वैसे तो I'm a very open book. I don't have anything much going on in my life that I need to hide. But still, I feel like, little bit Aditi, little bit be uptight, little bit. So constantly, it's me in my head telling me, like the person who's talking, like, shut up Aditi, shut up Aditi, shut up Aditi. So there's another Aditi here who's constantly telling this Aditi to shut up, shut up, shut up. And then while I was talking to my best friend, I told her about a few like titles that I was thinking about, which were very lame, by the way. And she went like, just shut up. And I'm like, wait, what? This is a sign. And that's how I named my show, Shut Up Aditi. And while talking about it also, I think I have, for me, there is no long story short. It's long story, longest story, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I have a habit of yapping a lot. But fortunately, this Triller show is going to give me only 30 minutes to talk, which is going to limit me to, talking less, which is great. But yeah, that's how I kept my show's name, Shut Up Aditi. And yeah, I'm very excited, as you can see. Okay, one second. Okay, should I join you guys in? Yeah, let me quickly join a few people in. 1 second. Okay. What did I do? 1 second. यार मैं ना थोड़ी सी कमजोर हूँ ये चीजों में. I have to agree. Even though I'm from this generation, I tend to somehow not know much about technology. Okay, can you guys do me one favor? Can you request? Actually, I think you guys are already requesting. But how do I? Guys, I don't know. Wait. Okay. Yeah. I am. 1 second. Okay, just do one thing. Whosoever wants to join this live with me, message me right now, right here, and I will just add you, because I don't know, somehow I'm not able to see the request that I could 3 seconds back, literally. 1 second. Okay, I really can't see the request right now. Oh, wait. Yeah, wait. Got it. Okay, another 3 minutes, and I'm gonna go and switch to the Triller Live. So make sure you join me there, because we have a lot to talk about, a lot to catch up on. Okay, I don't know why is this not happening. Okay, it's happening. Okay, I can hear something. Hello? 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 Okay, I don't know. Sorry, I don't have time. I have a show to do. I am hosting a show. I don't have time. Wait, okay, wait. Oh my god. Hello? Hi. What's happening? Okay, bad day today. Hello? Hello? Guys, you guys need to talk if you're sending me a request. I really don't know at this point who am I adding. No, wait. I don't know. I'm like the worst at this IG live today. Is it even happening? Okay. Guys, okay, we're canceling the plan of adding people. I'm so sorry, the ones I couldn't add. But I need to go now, and you guys need to follow me where I'm going, because I'm going to the Triller Live. And I just got a notification from Triller timing, very good timing. So I'm heading there. Make sure you come there. Yeah, mom, I know mom's also watching this live. Sitting outside, I can hear myself. Okay, anyway, I am gonna go on Triller now. Make sure you come there. We're gonna have a lot of fun, and yeah, I'll see you there. I'm going to answer a lot of your questions which I haven't answered in a long time. So yes, I'm still trying to figure